It's getting crazier and crazier what you can do with Sora 2 with every passing day, and now you can literally take advantage of it to create your own short films. Just take a quick look at what I was able to create.
Will you train me, Coach? I want to fight.
You can have the gloves, kid, but you'll have to work harder than you ever have in your life.
I'm ready.
Don't slow down now, kid. Give me 2 more, that's all. 2, 1, up, lock it. Last one, all the way, let's go. That's it, good work, champ.
Move that guard up, snap it out, don't push. Drive the shoulder, yes, again. Faster, keep breathing. 1 more, put everything in it, that's it, that's the punch.
Keep your shoulders loose, let the hips do the work.
Right.
You're leading too long with the jab. Snap it and get it back, or you'll eat a hook.
Got it, Coach.
That was like an anime masterpiece, right? And in today's video, I'll show you step by step how I did it and what tool I used. It's super easy too, and you don't even need any high prompting or editing skills. I'm telling you, with the proper strategy, you can use Sora 2 to create wonders. You just have to be a bit creative. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. All right, the tool I used to create this video is called VideoInu. This is literally the only tool I know that lets you create videos using Sora 2 that are up to 30 minutes long, which is crazy. I don't know how they did it, but it works like magic. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Over here, you can see 3 main options. First, there is Story to Video version 2, which is the latest and uses Sora 2 for the videos. Then there is Story to Video version 1, which is also very powerful. And finally, there is Image to Video, where you can generate image to video content using Sora 2. Today, we'll be focusing on the Video 2 feature, which I used to make this video. So I'll click on it, and then it will open this interface. This is the part where you need to paste the plot of your story. I'll paste mine here. It's just a simple plot about a man who wants to become a boxer. And honestly, you don't need to worry too much about this. You can just give it a vague plot. It uses Google's latest Gemini 3 to write the script, so the result will be awesome every single time. Next, make sure you turn on the smart script option for even better results. Now, let's choose a video style. As you can see, there are so many different styles available. I'll go with Ghibli style because I love the visuals. Next, choose the video duration. As you can see, you can go up to 30 minutes, which is just crazy. I'll go with 3 minutes for now. Then choose the aspect ratio and video language and hit create. After that, it will start to analyze the plot and settings, and based on that, it will generate the script, scenes, and even the cast for the video. And here it is. As you can see, it has created our characters for the video, and it will use the same character across all scenes. This is why the character consistency is on a completely different level. Now, if you want, you can click this button to regenerate the character image if you're not satisfied, which is pretty neat. Next, you can see that it has not only created the script, but also divided it into different scenes, which is awesome. You can go through them, and if you want to make changes, you can easily edit individual scenes as well. Once you're satisfied with everything, you'll see 2 options down here. First, preview storyboard, which takes you to the storyboard section where you can edit the scene images and videos individually. Second, generate video, which creates the entire video automatically. Let's try this one first. I'll click on generate video and it will get started. It generates the images for the scenes using Nano Banana Pro and then turns them into a video using Sora 2. And here is the result.
Left. Keep it tight. Breathe. 1 more. Stay sharp. Keep breathing. 1 more round.
You got heart, kid, but heart won't pay the rent. You need discipline.
Keep it clean. 15. Don't sag, drive it up. 16. Breath, Ethan, breath.
I can't quit.
You won't. Give me 1 more and you're done.
That was amazing, right? And it was super easy too. Now, if you want more control and want to edit your scenes manually, you can do that as well. All you need to do is click this option after creating the script, and it will take you to this interface. Here, I'm showing you the project for the video I showed you in the beginning. Now it generates different scenes, and you can select and preview each scene here. And since it uses Nano Banana Pro, the character consistency is on another level, as you can already see. If you you want to change any particular scene, you can do that too. First, choose the scene. Let's go with this one. Next, here you can see the prompt used for the image. You can tweak the prompt if you want, and then click the regenerate button and it will create a different scene image. Here it is. It has created a different image and it looks awesome too. And if you want even more control, you can use the built-in Nano Banana Pro option to make very specific changes. For example, if you want to change the lighting, just enter a prompt here and click generate and it will do it for you. Here it is. As you can see, the lighting has changed, but everything else remains the same. Now to turn this into a video, click on this animate option. You can animate all scenes at once or do it one by one. I prefer doing it one by one. As you can see, Sora 2 is already selected here. Now you can either use the pre-made smart prompt or write your own. I'll type in my prompt and click generate. And here is the output. It's awesome. Now you just need to repeat these steps until you're satisfied with all your scene images and videos. Once you're done, click the next button. Then you can add background music if you want and hit generate. Once it's done, you can preview the video from here, and to download it, click on the download button. As you can see, you can download in up to 2K quality, which is awesome. I'll go with 1080p for now, then just click confirm and you're done. After downloading it, I did a little bit of editing and here is the final output.
Only 2 more hours. Can't wait for this shift to be over. Same thing again. Yeah. Just another day.
Dad, can I get those gloves?
How many times do I have to tell you? Focus on your studies, not this.
This isn't who I am. I'm here to do great things. And it starts with those gloves.
You never listen! One more slip up and you're out, you hear me? I've had it with your excuses!
Then you don't have to wait for another slip up. I quit. All right. 1 mile at a time. Will you train me, Coach? I want to fight.
You can have the gloves, kid, but you'll have to work harder than you ever have in your life.
I'm ready.
Don't slow down now, kid. Give me 2 more, that's all. 2, 1, up, lock it. Last one, all the way, let's go. That's it. Good work, champ.
Move that guard up! Snap it out! Don't push! Drive the shoulder, yes, again! Faster! Keep breathing! 1 more! Put everything in it! That's it! That's the punch!
Keep your shoulders loose. Let the hips do the work.
Right.
You're leading too long with the jab. Snap it and get it back, or you'll eat a hook.
Got it, Coach. You're the best. No one can stop you.
That was stunning, right? And now you can do it too, or even create something better. With VideoInu, you can truly unleash your creativity. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this tool now and start creating outstanding content.